In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a folder in Wrike. This is a simple but really useful skill that helps you keep your workspace organized and easy to navigate, especially if you work with a lot of projects or shared folders. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening as we go so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Wrike and navigate to the folder you want to rename. This might be in your left-hand navigation panel or inside a specific project space. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct folder, especially if several of them have similar names. Renaming the wrong folder can confuse teammates, so it's always worth double-checking. Once you've found the folder, move your mouse over its name. You should see an icon with 3 small dots appear near it. This is the More Options or Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that folder. From this menu, look for the option labeled Rename. Click on Rename and you'll see that the folder name becomes editable. The text will usually be highlighted, which means you can start typing right away to replace it. Now, type in the new name you want for your folder. Try to choose a name that clearly describes what's inside, such as the client name, project phase, or date range. Clear names make it much easier for you and your team to find things later. As you type, take a moment to check for spelling mistakes or unclear abbreviations, especially if other people rely on this folder. When you're happy with the new name, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This confirms the change and saves the new folder name. You should now see the updated name appear in the navigation panel or wherever the folder is located. If you don't like how it looks, you can repeat the same process and rename it again. That's all there is to it. Click on the 3 dots, choose Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. With this quick workflow, you can keep your Wrike workspace neat, consistent, and easy for everyone on your team to understand.